Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
How is your life today?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
great. Me too. I'm so happy to meet you toward this Zoom meeting actually. Have you got fasting today? Okay, good. I'm so happy to hear that. Would you like to lead your friends to sing a song, national anthem?
Hello, friend. From 1, 2, 3.
Indonesia,
Tanah
tanah
airku,
tanah
Tumpah
darahku. Di sana aku berdiri,
jadi
pandu ibu. Yes, ma'am.
Help me please to lead your friends to pray first.
Okay, friends, before we start our study, let's pray to finish.
I want to display to you about what we're going to discuss this afternoon is, can you see the material?
Yes, ma'am.
The attendance list. Who is absent today? Is there anyone absent today?
No, ma'am.
So all of us are joined with this class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Class this afternoon is about hortatory exposition, but I need to explain to you first what is the lesson goals. Actually, Ananda juga perlu mengetahui apa itu tujuan pembelajaran kita pada sore hari ini. Is all of you are expected to be able to analyze or to identify the social function, the structure of the text, the language features, and the generic structure of the hortatory exposition text. And the second one is the students are expected to be able to write the simple hortatory exposition text. And after that, the students read the text, the simple text that have done to your friends and to the teachers. At this picture first, I give you a minute to pay attention about the pictures. Silahkan perhatikan kira-kira itu gambar apa dan apa yang ada di dalam pikiran Ananda ketika melihat keadaan seperti itu.
It's very dirty, ma'am.
My question is, have you ever seen environment before?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you think? Why did such condition or situation occur?
Habit, ma'am, I think.
Okay, good. What about the others? Is there any idea, please?
This happened because the people don't have responsibility with their environment. They don't think the effect through garbage everywhere, and then other people get the effect. I don't like this, ma'am.
Done. Great. Thank you, Novita. What about the others? Do you have any idea or opinion that you want to share in here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Caused by many people put the rubbish everywhere, ma'am. For example, in this case, di mana ini, ma'am? Sungai ya, ma'am?
Yes, it's at the river. At the
Yeah,
river.
they put the rubbish not at the suitable place, ma'am. I think.
Perfect. Who gets the benefits from this station? Is there any beneficial things that we can get from the environment? Tepatnya nggak Ananda ketika melihat gambar yang seperti itu?
Not yet, ma'am.
Answer actually. What about the effect, the negative effect of the situation or the bad habit that people have?
Ma'am, of
Yeah.
course flood will happen.
Pollution.
Flood, water pollution, flood maybe.
Absolutely right. It's cause a flood, water pollution also. Have any idea with the situation? How to solve the problem? Apa kira-kira solusi untuk mengantisipasi atau mengatasi situasi yang seperti itu?
Maybe harus diadaur ulang nih, Ma'am.
Trust, great. Give it close to you. Next, what about Novita? Do you have any idea?
Yes, ma'am. I think first we put notice near the river or near the stream, and then if someone steals through the garbage to the river, we give punishment.
A fabulous idea. Thank you, Novita and Ayu. You have actually have this text or our topic today yang dipelajari hari ini, yaitu tentang hortatory exposition text. So before I give you the example of hortatory exposition text, I need two definitions of the text. Now, what is the definition of the text? Text is a type, is a kind of type of spoken or written text that is intended to explain the listeners or readers that something should or shouldn't happen or be done. Maksudnya begini, jenis teks hortatory eksposisi ini sebenarnya tergolong kepada bentuk teks argumentatif ya. Di mana di dalamnya itu penulis atau writernya mencantumkan beberapa pendapat tertentu untuk memperkuat ide pokoknya. Where do we can find the hortatory exposition text? Kita bisa menemukan hortatory exposition text-nya itu in scientific books, journal, magazine, newspapers, academic speech or lectures, research, and so on. The social function of hortatory exposition text to persuade the readers or listeners that something should or should not be. First, we do have the generic structure of the hortatory exposition text. There are 3 points. Ada 3 poin penting sebenarnya yang harus kita ketahui. What are they? The first is thesis. Nah, tesis di sini itu berisi tentang pengenalan ide pokok penulis tentang suatu peristiwa atau kejadian yang akan dibahas atau didiskusikan atau yang akan diangkat. The second one is arguments. Nah, argumen di sini harus logis, berfungsi untuk mendukung pendapat dari penulis tersebut atau dari pembaca. Nah, the arguments consist of writers' ideas or opinion. Jadi argumen itu sebenarnya berisi tentang ide pokok dari penulisnya. The last one is recommendation. Apa itu recommendation? Jadi dalam teks tersebut harus ada pernyataan tentang rekomendasi atau ajakan penulis terhadap pembaca untuk melakukan sesuatu yang ada kaitannya pada tesis yang udah dibikin dan arguments-nya juga. Apa aja language features yang ada pada hortatory exposition text-nya? Actually, there are 4 points. Ada 4 poin di sini, yaitu menggunakan simple present tense. It's used also action verbs-nya, ada value, ada play-nya, ada walk, and so on. The third one is ada menggunakan. It's also used in plural connective. Firstly, secondly, the third, and etc. The last one, it's used evaluative verbs like importantly, valuable, trustworthy, and take a look at this trash. Silahkan Anda perhatikan ini trash atau tumpukan sampahnya yang berserakan, dan ini merupakan satu tapi topik yang akan kita jadikan sebagai teks hortatory exposition. Nah, bisa dilahirkan seperti ini teksnya. Oke, Rahayu Hermalini, please.
Thank you, ma'am. Trust is a phenomenon that we often encounter in the community. Trust is stuff that can't be used anymore. That if existence is very annoying, stress also has bad impact for our health and our environment.
Would you like to be the participants to read the next paragraph?
Yes, ma'am. Tertutup oleh apa? Tutup separuhnya lagi, ma'am. An ill cause many bad impact if it is ignored. But yeah.
Well, what about this one? Yeah, can you see all the sentences? Apa Anda semua?
Paragraph 1.
Who else? Siapa lagi yang mau mencoba paragraf ketiganya? And the last paragraph.
Can I, ma'am? Yeah, Niza, ma'am. Besides bringing disease, trash can also bring disasters such as flood. Trash that dumped into the river by the residents continuously will make the water on the river cannot flow, and over time, the water will overflow with heavy rains that continue to flush. If flood occurs, it will make people cannot do the activities like usual. In addition, in areas where the land is sloped, it can cause landslides.
Okay,
Finish,
great.
ma'am?
Who else? The last paragraph.
Can I, ma'am?
Of course.
Negative impacts caused by trash. For that reason, we must keep our environment clean from the trash. We can start by doing a small things such as throw trash in its place.
Did you find the difficult words on the text? Okay, why?
Sure, ma'am.
Akan.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
what about
Wait. Pile up. Menumpuk.
frequently, ma'am?
Okay, subsequently itu artinya kemudian. It's a kind of adverb. The difficulties words on the text.
Trash that dumped into the
It's throw it, membuang. We start from the first paragraph. Mary, is there any simple present tense that you
Yes.
see? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
What are
We
they?
often encounter in the community,
Okay, great. What else?
and then trash also has bad impact for our health and our environment.
Okay. At the second paragraph, Nafita, would you like please? Can you see the paragraph fully?
Okay, can you show the text, Mels? It is simple present, ma'am.
Okay, great. My characteristic of simple present.
Me, ma'am, use verb one.
This applies to you, Mary Harlan, is to make sure that all of you understand what the simple present is, what the characteristic of the simple present also. This is the result that we have to discuss. The main point is a phenomenon that we often encounter in the community. You can see on your uh, laptop or maybe on your computer, the thesis, the argument. There are two argument actually. Di sini ada tahu dengan recommendation. Recommendation itu apa? Is there anyone knows what the recommendation is? Apa itu recommendation?
Suggestion, ma'am.
Suggestions. Untuk menguatkan ide-idenya atau argumennya, jadi harus ada saran begitu. Suggestion. Nah, di sini dari contoh teks yang sudah ada tadi, recommendation that we have got, that is lots of negative impacts caused students. Do you have any questions so far after I explain to you the material? Ada yang mau ditanyakan atau ada yang kurang mengertikah Ananda dengan apa yang sudah dijelaskan tadi? Is that clear for you?
Yes, clear, ma'am.
A minute, I'm gonna share the worksheet. Can you see it,
Yes, ma'am.
guys? Nah, yang akan Ananda lakukan di sini adalah, nih, kita masuk ke activity 1. The first activity. Jadi di sini activity 1, kerjakan by yourself. Please do by yourself. Boleh dibaca dulu, dikasih waktu sekitar 4 menit atau 5 menit maksimalnya. And then please answer or give your explanation about the questions on this worksheet. Mengerti Anda apa yang akan dikerjakan berikutnya?
Yes, ma'am.
Oke. Nah, ini dia. Boleh dikerjakan yang activity 1 dulu. I give you 5 minutes to do the first task or the first activity. And then after that, we are going to discuss it.
There are some sentences, ma'am.
All right. What are they? Please tell me at least 2 sentences.
Okay, ma'am. Can you show me the text? Yes, ma'am. This sentence, people are starting to abandon the habit of wearing masks and keeping their distance amid the pandemic that has been going on for nearly 9 months. People are starting, ma'am. Is it simple present, ma'am?
Before I explain to you, what about the others? What do you think about the first sentences? The sentence that Rati said before, is it present time? Dengan yang lainnya, apakah setuju? Do you agree with Rati's statement? Rahayu Melia, apakah setuju kalimat yang disebutkan oleh Rati?
For that has been going on for
That's great. Actually, it's sebenarnya itu juga kalimat present tense ya, tapi lebih tepatnya present continuous tense. Begitu Rati penjelasannya.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you for
Anytime.
the ma'am.
Okay, great. Rahayu and Rati. What else? What about the others? Did you find the simple present? Actually, Navita, simple present tense lain yang ditemukan di sana selain yang udah disebutkan sama teman-temannya tadi, Navita?
The others, ma'am.
It doesn't matter, Navita. Maybe the others.
Can I, ma'am? Can I, ma'am?
Of course. Sure.
I find.
Present tense. Bagaimana kita mengetahuinya? Apa ciri-cirinya itu, Mary Herlin?
Because ada di sana ada kata kerja bentuk pertamanya, ma'am. Try.
Right. Yeah. Okay, go on, Navita.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now, the second sentence, most of the people were disciplined. Is it right, ma'am?
Wait, what about the others? Do you agree with what Nafita said? What do you think, Rati? Is that right? What do you think, Rati? Do you agree with understand what you are going to do of this part on this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Oke, apa yang akan dikerjakan pada poin pada bagian ini? Kalau begitu kita masuk ke temukan di sini bagian-bagiannya dari generic structure itu. Yang pertama, to find the thesis, the arguments, and the recommendation, menentukan generic struktur dari teks hortatory eksposisi, yaitu tesisnya, argumennya, dan recommendationnya. Mention the thesis and argument also and the recommendations of the text. Nah, jadi dari teks ini manakah yang tesis statementnya, manakah yang argumennya, dan which one the recommendation of the text. I'll give you 3 minutes.
I think the thesis in paragraph 1, ma'am.
Okay, paragraph 1, what? In what line? All of the sentence? Di baris keberapakah itu atau semua kalimatnya pada paragraf pertama? Thesis statementnya Rati. Hello?
In the first sentence, ma'am.
Okay, great. You got the point again. Thank you, Rati. What about the arguments? Is there anyone help to find the arguments of the text? Ada yang mau mencoba? Apa argumen yang bisa ditemukan dari teks tersebut?
I think
Ya.
also in line 1, ma'am.
In
Most
line
of
1.
people are disciplined in obeying the health protocols such as wearing masks, washing hands, and keeping a distance.
Well done. Rati, is it still yours, right? Masih Rati kan yang ngomong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because I can't see your face actually. That's why I'm asking you. Okay,
Ma'am.
okay, Rati, thank you. Next, is there any arguments that we can find on the text? Yang lain? Apakah ada argumen yang lainnya yang bisa kita temukan di sana?
Ma'am?
Yes, Nafita, your turn.
Yeah. I try. What about the argument? The most important thing that we can do is stick health protocols so that we can break the chain of virus spread. In addition, CDC or content of disease control and prevention recommends us to wear masks since it can prevent us from getting or spreading the virus. Is this argument, ma'am?
Yes, that's one of arguments of the text. Okay, great, Novita. And the last one, what is the recommendation of the text? Apa suggestion atau recommendation yang ada dari teks yang sudah kita lihat ini, yang sudah ditampilkan? ditanyakan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please, Rahayu.
Okay, the recommendation is we should remember that everyone can be exposed to virus infection still cannot use and still cannot be used. So it is important to always implement health protocol, especially when there is an urgent matter that requires us to leave the house. I think it is the recommendation, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Rahayu Meliar. I'm proud. I'm proud of all of you, my lovely students. Actually, after doing or discussing this task, I'm sure that all of you understand how to find or how to identify the thesis, the arguments, and the recommendation of the text uh, hortatory exposisi. So far, do you have any questions? Ada yang mau ditanyakan tentang apa yang sudah kita diskusikan untuk hari ini?
No, ma'am.
Okay, great. Nah, if you don't have any questions, actually, wait a minute. There are more activity that you have done before, but not in here, because time is almost over, waktu kita udah hampir habis, jadi sepertinya nggak cukup lagi untuk mendiskusikan activity berikutnya. Nah, jadi kegiatan berikutnya itu dilakukan di rumah, just do by yourself, and we're gonna discuss it for the next meeting. And then before our start this lesson, who can conclude our lesson today? Who want to conclude what we have discussed this afternoon? Siapa yang bisa menyimpulkan apa saja yang sudah kita pelajari hari ini? Apa yang didapatkan begitu? Do you wanna try, Mary Harlim?
I'm so sorry, ma'am. I can't explain about the conclusion. Maybe another friend.
Okay. It doesn't matter, Mary Harlim. What about Ratih Asperina? Would you like please to conclude our lesson today? Okay. Yep.
Yes, that's right, ma'am. I think we can conclude that from our material today. We learn about the hortatory exposition text, the structures of the text, is thesis and argument, and the last is recommendations. Beside that, we also know about language features in hortatory exposition text. It use simple present, ma'am.
Okay.
I think that's all.
Great. Is there anyone to add some? No. I think is it clear, right? Is it clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Well, before closing this, the reflection that we have to know each.
Learn hortatory exposition text, ma'am, and the generic structure consists of thesis, argument, and recommendation. And the social function is to persuade the audience that something should or should not be in the case or be done. And most of the language feature used in this case is present tense, ma'am. I think that is that I get from this lesson.
You. Next, yang paling disenangi untuk hari ini. Oke, Ratih Esperina, time is yours.
To discuss and give argument for the issues that have been discussed in thesis statement.
The most difficult activity that you have found. Okay.
Sometimes when comprehend, sometimes I face difficulties when comprehend the argument and to conclude all the text make me think hard, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
To do to solve the difficulties that that you found in these lessons?
Yeah, because you gave us about generic structure, so I can guess maybe on the first paragraph this is a kind of thesis, and this next the second paragraph this is a kind of argument, and the last paragraph is a kind of recommendation. So I help myself by guessing, ma'am.
Okay, great. Nice try, actually, Nafita. It's maybe it's better for you to read a lot and to make understand how to find the thesis, how to create the thesis, the arguments, and the recommendation also. Read a lot and try to practice. I think
Okay, ma'am.
cover for today. Thank you very much for your attention, for your participants this afternoon. Say Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, alam.
Okay. I'm gonna close this. Say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.